Well, Sharon, if you don't want it blowing to Cotulla, bring it in tonight.
Yeah.
We got some high winds coming in by morning. I'm thinking these winds will be pretty gusty by like 8 a.m.
I've been enjoying this beautiful weather.
Gorgeous.
And we got wind.
Very spring-like. I mean, mid-70s today, but here come the changes. In fact, like I said, if you don't want it blowing around, bring it in tonight, because by sunrise, we're going to have these gusty winds. You see the front over my shoulder. Let's take a closer look at the lead story tonight. Our cold front, this is not a big Arctic front. So you can even see temperatures are in the mid-30s at Amarillo, 52 at Midland, Dallas at 60. You can see that convergence of those north winds just into the northern hill country tonight. This front is coming through without much moisture to work with, without much upper level support. So that's why we're not expecting a whole lot of rain. A lot of wind feeding into this front. You know, that's why we've got a good strong southeast wind here on the hill tonight. It's 9 miles per hour at the airport, still 61, dew point up to 49, highest reading we've had all week. So considerable bit of moisture, but not enough for a whole lot of rain. All right, so by 10 a.m. tomorrow, we've got winds at 23 here, 26 in New Braunfels, 26 at San Marcos, staying double digit through 6 o'clock tomorrow. And then check out the wind gusts. As early as about 8 or 9 a.m., we could have them near 30 miles an hour in the city, Hondo, Kerrville, 36 Rock Springs, then 38 at midday. This is when they should peak. I-35 corridor 40. Remember, tropical storm is 39 miles an hour. We're going to have those kind of winds through early afternoon tomorrow. Let's talk temperatures. 76 today for us, a lot of 80s to the south. A mistake in Hondo, not that hot, 74 at Kerrville. But overnight, we're going to probably hit our low. I think we'll get the warmest temperature of the day between midnight and say 7 or 8 a.m. 56 degrees here at 7, but you can already see the 40s spilling into the hill country. Here they come. But again, not 30s. It'll just be a gradual drop in temperatures, but we're definitely hitting the high early tomorrow. Here's another way to look at it. Temperatures in the mid-50s early and mid-40s by mid-afternoon. And there is a slight chance we see a shower, 20%, and I think it materializes east of the city. You can see just a few scattered areas of very light rain. We've got a better system coming in middle part of next week. So from La Villita, the 7-day forecast where temperatures are backwards tomorrow. We hit the high early, slip into the 40s in the afternoon. The sun will come out on Super Bowl Sunday. After a light freeze, we'll hit 62 for the high and a 100% chance of love on Monday. High near 70. Really nice looking day. And then the rain chance. Boy, we need some showers. 30 to 40% by Wednesday, Sharon.